So come along and watch how we just installed our mister. In North Texas, it gets super hot in the summers around here. We spend a lot of time outdoors. This is our little seating area for the evening time. This is where we sit and watch our birds, watch all of our critters. We're looking for something just to make it a little cooler to help with. We don't want to put a fan or anything, just to make it a little more enjoyable, pleasurable, where it's not just super hot out here. We did receive this from the brand to review. This is the Mellbree misting cooling system. So come along to see our installation of it. We're trying to see just how easy it is to install. This is the 30-foot one that we got. This is what it looks like. It comes with a tubing here with the little misters already pre-installed. So that was really nice about it. That's just one less step that we have to do. It comes with the adapters, the little hook, the zip ties. I'm not sure what all that's for. And then it does come with instructions. So come along and watch our installation of this. This is our area where we're wanting to put it, right over here. So first thing, we're going to cut these little things off of there. And then this is what it looks like. And again, 30 foot long. And then this is what I was talking about where the misters are already installed on there. So that was real nice. So in the box, it did come with a little fastener and zip ties. We're actually going to use the fasteners here because they're going to go into the wood. I would think that this would be something like if you had a chain link fence or something like that, that you would use the zip ties for. With the fasteners going into the wood, this is just showing how ours will go in like that. And right now we're just taking the hose, stretching it out and unwinding it to get it to put right over there. And then this is the end that's going to connect to the water hose. It's not plastic. I think it's solid brass. It's pretty durable feeling also. We're doing a little measuring because we want to get it up there right. So again, this is a 30-foot hose that we have. So this is going to work out perfect for this area right here, over that way, and then that way. And then we've already got this side installed. And then right up there is the way that clamps on there. And again, as you can see, it's coming along pretty easy with everything pretty much pre-installed. And then we just have that in there to go down. And then just a tip, before starting, I would make sure that you have a ladder. You're going to want a ladder, a hammer to hammer the little adapter things in. And then the instruction right here, it does state that you can cut the tube. So you can make it any length that you want. But my goal was to do this as easy as possible without a bunch of steps. And the fact that this one does come pre-installed with the misters was definitely a bonus. And we have it installed now all the way down this end, and it came out a little bit longer than what we thought it would and that we initially measured. So you can redo it however you like, because again, it's just held in place with those little things right there. And we may even end up moving it all the way across the arbor instead of going down this. And now it's time to hook up the water hose. And then again, this end, we just hooked it right into our water hose, and we're fixing to test it out just to see how it works. So we turn the water on. You can see it coming out there. You can hear it. It's off a relaxing sound. Pretty nice mist. There it is coming out at the top over there. And down there also. All right, here we go. Got it installed. Look how pretty that looks. Puts out a really nice mist. It's real fine. It's not soaking. And puts off a really soothing sound also. There we go, we're done. You can see it coming out up there. I think we're going to end up moving ours where this goes all the way across that way instead of down these poles where it's not just hitting us right here. And then I would say from start to finish probably took, I don't know, maybe 30 minutes from the unboxing to installing it. So it wasn't anything difficult at all. I think I could have done it by myself if I just would have tried. I think we're really going to enjoy this. So if you are looking for a mister system, I would say this is a solid pick just for the ease of the fact that it did come pre-installed. There wasn't a whole lot of hooking up that you had to do. It's basically just installing the tubes to the post or the chain link, whatever you're putting it on. Solid pick, 10 out of 10.